What's up, guys? Today I'll be unboxing this gift from Best Buy. So let's get straight into it. Make sure to like and subscribe. First thing is this MacBook Pro. Dang. I almost cut myself. I'm so clumsy. Just like for the last video, whenever I dropped the toy as soon as I opened it. The plastic is off. And also, here's the front, and here's the back. It's nothing really much, and on the sides they have the Apple logo. Here's the MacBook. It has a piece of paper on it. It's so nice and clean. It's brand new. Clearly it's brand new, because I'm unboxing it. LOL. Let me pick up all this plastic. Here's the charger for it. Here's the charger. Here's the power block for it. I'm done. This is the charger. And this is the thing that go in the wall. I'm sorry for that, guys. And in here, just the instructions. Nobody never reads these. And right here is just 2 Apple stickers.